Do you know what it feels like to be here and now? Do you know how to experience the isness of this moment in time? We're going to have a chat about that right now. Hello. Hi, how are you doing? Janet Mohapi-Banks here. Oh, today I've had this amazing morning of meditation. I woke up at 5:55. That's when I have an alarm go off. And I meditate for an hour before I go and wake my children up for school, my child up for school. And then, I got them breakfast, and then I had a group meditation session, which is always wonderful. There's something about a group energy of meditation that it just opens up more, I think. And I've just been sitting here, and as you can see, my eyes just want to close because I'm just in this constant meditative state of being with the isness of right now. And it affects my entire way of being, my entire focus of everything that I do, because I'm coming from this place of knowing that not only am I enough, but I have enough. I am complete exactly as I am. And that completeness, that knowing that there's nothing that I want from externally. Yes, there's nothing I want externally to make me feel better about me, because I already feel amazing just as I am right now. And what I know is that when I take this feeling into my day, when I work with clients, when I work with teams of people, this energy of being in the isness, being in the here and now, of radiating this level of peace and love and joy, it helps every other member of the team or the client or my family, people I meet in the street or in shops or, wherever I am. I know that my state of being helps them to feel more secure, more grounded, more centered, because we are all connected. We are all connected all of the time. You are receiving all of the time, and you're either receiving from a place of chaos, which means that you'll be receiving chaos, or you're receiving from a place of peace, which means that you'll be receiving in peace. And when you can be in abundance, you're receiving abundance. And we can forget. We can forget that anything has happened in the past. We can remove all of the stresses and the strains that we've felt before, because they are not here now. And we can discard all the concerns and worries for the future, because they are also not here now. Really embracing the now means that really embracing the now means that you approach life from a place of well-being, from a place of infinite love. And when you can do that, you're more connected with your highest, you're more connected with infinite intelligence. You open yourself up to seeing the opportunities of a situation, the opportunities of your life, instead of concentrating on the problems. When we concentrate on the problems, we see more problems. When we concentrate on on the here and now or on the solutions, we see more solutions. We embrace where we are and we get out of our heads and into our bodies, because our hearts have this magnetism that attracts who we be. Yes. Yeah. So that's all I really had to say today. I'm just loving being here, being now. It makes me smile. Yeah, that's all I have to say today. I'll see you next time. Bye.